In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your mass airflow sensor on a Toyota Corolla 2009 to 2019. It's located towards your driver's side of your engine bay. There's a push tab on the wire harness. Push down on it and then pull it out. Use a Phillips head. Make sure that's one that's thick enough so you don't ruin the bolt. You can start off by removing the 2 bolts. Now you could pull out your mass airflow sensor. To put the new one in, align it with the bolts. Now you can screw the bolts back in. You don't need to tighten it too tight, it doesn't take much force. Now you can plug the wire harness back in and you're all done.